Can we see other person's hidden friend list on Facebook? In order to find it out, let's move into the video. First thing first, make sure that you are running the latest version of the app Facebook. Once your application is up to date, simply open the app. Enter login credential as in your email address and the password, and then log into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, over here in the search bar, search for the profile of the person whom you want to see the hidden friend list. Once you are in their profile, scroll down and then you have to move into See All Friends. So over here, you'll be able to see the mutual friends, but if you head over to All, then it says the friend list is private. And also you can see that there is no any option or the feature where you can see their hidden friend list. If you really want to see, then you have to make sure that they have unhide their friend list, and then only you'll be able to see them. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can see other person's hidden friend list on Facebook. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. And if you have any queries, you can drop it down in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next one.